My name's Carlo Alboretto and I'm the Sales Director at Wave. RecWebs is a recruitment website company. We build recruitment websites. The reason we're doing really well at the moment is that people love the service that we deliver. They don't want to have to sort of build a site and have to sort of maintain it. We look after the hosting, the security. They get their own dedicated team that build the site for them as well. So they can just focus on doing what they do best, which is recruitment, and never have to worry about the site. We have a dedicated team of people that actually work with them. So as soon as they sign up, they get a team of designers, they get a team of developers, they get their own digital project manager that will sit down with them, work out what is the best site that's relevant for them. We actually build 2 different sites for them on the landing page, so they can actually decide which one they want or which one they prefer, or they can have a mix of both. And then after that, we give them that same level of service. So if there's anything else they wanted to add on to their website later on, we give them up to 2 hours a month where we can go in and build on any sort of extra development work they need, or if they want a new blog section, so they can just keep the service going continuously, and that's why people like to use us.